So we've made a lot of progress on the truck here. We're just working on tearing the engine apart. We got the rad out. We got a bunch of stuff disconnected on the front. We got the exhaust manifolds disconnected, carburetors off, distributors out. John's just working on the other exhaust manifold now. But so far, so good. We already got a cherry picker as well. So this should go pretty smooth. Fingers crossed anyways. But how you doing in there, John?
Good.
Right on, man, right on.
Having fun. Excited to hear this beast roar.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, at least none of those exhaust manifold bolts broke off, eh?
Yeah, that's a huge bonus.
Exactly.
I'm gonna have to take this bracket off.
Right? For the power steering pump?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Hopefully that's not a stud. It looks like a stud, but I hope the whole stud comes right out with the bolt.
Should.
That would be kind of cool.
There. That's that easy.
Did the stud come out?
What?
Did the stud come out?
What? The stud on the manifold bolt?
Yeah.
No, it's like threads, a nut that's welded, and then it was the bracket, and then there's another nut on that side.
Okay, so we can pull that out.
Oh yeah, it's already out.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, because that stud would kind of cause us a little bit of problems if, like, perfect. Right on, man. Decent.
Decent.
Yeah, so this is just an update so far on the engine and the progress we're making. So far, so good.